Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how to trace this house outline using the control key and a 2-point line. But if you see some mistakes, and if you look at it real close, and everything needs to be perfect. So let's zoom in on this node, and you can see this node is right in the center of my indexing line. And if we go to the top, it's not. So you can nudge that over for sure, but you could also align the nodes, and you have to kind of do it in a particular order. So we're going to grab the shape tool. I'm going to click on this one first and the one that's right second, and then I'm going to go right up here to align nodes vertically and hit OK. Now both of our nodes are right dead center on that indexing line. So if you've drawn something and you want to check things and for levelness and stuff, use indexing lines, and let's just put another indexing line right here, and it'll snap to if you got it snapped to. So both my corners up here are correct. But if they weren't by chance, let's just take the shape tool and let's just put this one way out of sync. Now I've also moved it to the left or the right, left, right, so you need to do it the other way too. So let's zoom in here. Now this one's correct and this one's off. So I want to grab my shape tool and I want to pick this one first, holding down my shift key, and then go right up here to align nodes. And this time we're going to align it horizontally. Bam, right on the line. Now, because I moved this, you're going to want to do these two nodes, and you think this one's right. So let's do this one first, holding down the shift key, align vertically. So check away horizontally, and it did move it back over there. Anyway, and there's always ways you can check things to see if you're perfect. You could get your parallel dimension tool and have it on that edge and try to go straight over, and you are at 5.86, and right here we're at 5.56. So our box is square. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.